Today's story is about a dream come true, an unforgettable trip to London. Traveling to new places helps us learn, grow, and see the world in a new way. Let's follow the journey of a young traveler who explores the heart of London, full of excitement, discovery, and beautiful memories. Last year, I finally did something I always wanted to do. I went to London. For many years, I dreamed about visiting this famous city. I read about it in books and saw it in movies. I wanted to see the history, the buildings, the people, and the food. I planned my trip for many weeks. I searched online for the best places to go. I made a list of foods to try and fun things to do. I wanted to enjoy every moment of my trip. When the day came, I felt so excited. I packed my clothes, my camera, and my passport. I checked my ticket again and again. Then I went to the airport and got on the plane. As the plane flew high, I looked out the window. I watched my city get smaller and smaller. Soon I would be in London, a place I had only seen in pictures. The flight was long, but finally, the pilot said we were landing at Heathrow Airport. I smiled. My dream was starting. The airport was very big and full of people from many countries. I followed the signs and went through immigration. The staff were kind and helpful. That made me feel more comfortable. I took the Heathrow Express train to the city. The train was fast and clean. I saw parks, houses, and green trees through the window. After 15 minutes, I reached Paddington Station. When I stepped outside, I saw the beautiful city. There were old buildings and new buildings side by side. I heard car horns, people talking, and church bells ringing. I took a deep breath and smiled. I was really in London. My first stop was Big Ben. I had seen pictures before, but seeing it with my own eyes was amazing. The big clock tower was tall and beautiful. The gold on the tower shined in the sun. I took many pictures. Next, I walked to the Houses of Parliament. The building was large and full of history. I thought about the many important meetings that happened inside. It felt very special. Then I walked beside the River Thames. There were boats, people jogging, and street performers. I stood on Westminster Bridge and looked around. On one side, I saw the London Eye, a giant wheel. On the other side, I saw many old buildings. It was a mix of old and new. Later, I visited Buckingham Palace, where the king lives. I was lucky to see the changing of the guard. The guards wore red uniforms and big black hats. They marched in a line and moved together. A band played music too. It was fun to watch. The next day, I went to the British Museum. It was very big and had many things from all over the world. I saw the Rosetta Stone, mummies from Egypt, and the statues from Greece. I also saw art from Japan, China, and India. I walked around the museum for hours. Every room had something new and interesting. Before I left, I bought some souvenirs to remember my visit. My trip to London was a great adventure. I saw many amazing places and learned a lot. I hope to go back again one day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.